Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back. And Pepe is moving up, so I want to take you back in time. This is a video made 9 days ago, and very quickly I want to give you a shout out that it's important. We are opened up for Q2 in April. We have 10 more days to close the private, so if you want to join, message me on Discord. Comment Discord if you're not on Discord, by the way. And here it is. So 9 days ago I made a video called Pump From Here. 590 is a big support, so let's check. So welcome everyone, welcome back, and we're down with Pepe, and the different pumps at that trend line is not a fluke, is definitely something we have to keep in mind on, and from here onwards you can see that we're probably down, and again it's a big support. So on the 4 hour time frame you are probably trying to maintain that trend line. Just gonna drop the line. You're trying to maintain that support. So you have one touch again, you have one touch again. Maybe they're trying to create a double bottom here, and then you can try to move back up one more time. So one thing I can say is that before we go down to maybe 477 or even 360, think it this way, that this of course has four, like you've pumped four. Seriously, you have to take this as a support, right? So in my opinion, if you make it down to maybe 549, let's give it a look from here. Literally from here, you can actually expect a reversal to go back up again. But if you start to just continue. Right, so that was the video, and I marked one very big supporter of Pepe, and Pepe really respected that support. Right now, we are at 748. It was down at 590. I've actually even had a lot of messages on Discord for people saying that, hey, thank you for explaining about Pepe and stuff. So it's always good. It's always good to know that you enjoyed the TA videos and you got to understand and even take a trade out there. So it's always fun. This is the main purpose of the channel. Now, one thing is, Pepe has not broken above this one resistance line, and before that I just want to give you one very quick flashback about the trend line we made of 590. So this was the trend line. I was talking about this trend line where we had so many previous touches. 4 times it touched this trend line before. This was touch number 5, and then you started to go back to the upside, and of course you are really down at the moment. Okay, so what I do see is that Pepe at the moment has not broken above this trend line, and I want to give you a future prediction that this trend line is about to get broken, right? I do see the trend line getting destroyed, and I do see a 34% pump coming for Pepe. You can literally trade this left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. You have an opportunity. Even if you want to get into this trade right now, I think having a stop down at 659 can actually be good. It's going to stop you from having further loss, but it's a good try, right? If you come down here, I don't think that's not going to be a good sign anyways. But I do see it breaking above, and the reason why I do see it breaking above is because Bitcoin is really breaking above this ascending triangle. So you have the ascending triangle that has broken out of, and it can move to $94,000. Now this is the reason why Pepe has to break above as well and push to the upside. So it's just that one little bit of a hint or a clue that you get from Bitcoin that, okay, Bitcoin is doing amazing, and we can actually see Pepe try to move to the upside along with Bitcoin. So to me, things are looking amazing. They're looking awesome. The technical target again is from the top to bottom, and if you place it right over there, you're going to see a technical target of nearly 1030, and that's pretty much it for the update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.